Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to mirror your Android device's screen on your computer, and you control your Android device from your computer's keyboard and mouse without even touching the Android device. So I hope you can see the Android tablet screen right now I'm holding, and I need to increase the brightness a bit, so I hope you can see this inside the camera. So in order to work, you need to connect your Android device with the USB cable to your computer, and you need to turn on the developer mode. So I'll go to settings. Here we go, and I'm scrolling down to about tablet and software information, and I'm gonna tap the build number about 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So developer mode has been enabled. So I'm gonna go back and scroll down. You'll see developer options here, and the developer options is on. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see USB debugging under debugging section. Make sure you turn on while connecting your computer via USB, and you also need to confirm by tapping OK. So you can only always allow from this computer. Check this and tap allow. Alright, now it is done. So make sure you open the terminal on your computer. Like right now I'm currently on a Mac, so I will type in terminal. Make sure I'll maximize it. So I'm going to install brew, install scrcpy. So how do I install this? So I'm gonna go to Google, scrcpy. So you'll see, oops, there's a typo, but the result is correct. So Jenny Mobile scrcpy in a GitHub link, then you'll be able to see their GitHub page. And if you scroll down a bit, pronounce scrcpy. So this application mirrors Android devices' video and audio connected via USB. And you need to turn on the USB debugging mode as well. So how do I install on a Mac? You can also read about the installation section if you're using a different operating system like Windows or Linux. So right now I'm gonna click Mac OS to install it. So you can see here is brew install scrcpy. So I have run this command on my terminal, and I'm going to install ADB. So I'm gonna copy it. I click in here, and I'm gonna go back to my terminal and paste it, run it. Because I've already installed the latest version, so if it's not installing or it's not upgrading. So I think it should be working, by the way. And it simply run the mirror. You need to trigger this command scrcpy on your terminal. So I'm gonna type scrcpy, scrcpy. Alright, now you'll be able to see my device's screen has been opened in a new window inside the computer. So to make sure, I'm gonna close the terminal. Oh, I can't close the terminal because it is running. So I just have to minimize the terminal. Okay. So I can click the home button from here. I can scroll down the menu, notifications, and go into the settings menu again. I can open Chrome, and I can type in Google as well, like typing in google.com. There you go. So I can visit Google homepage from here. cool. You can also copy the entire screen from your Mac without any screen capture software, using only screen copy built-in functions. You can record audios, you can record videos, and save it as an MKV file by using this command. So make sure you read the documentations how to use screen copy. And it's not so different installing on Linux. Installing on Mac and Linux are not so different, and you can easily download an installer for the Windows and use screen copy right away. And that's so cool. So that's a quick tip on how to mirror your screen on your Android devices to your computer. So make sure you turn on the USB debugging before using screen copy. Hope you guys enjoy this. See you later. Have a nice day.